Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the September Boxycharm box, and I have the base one. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash first impression of the September box for you guys. Before I get into it though, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you love these kind of unboxings or first impression kind of videos. I have lots of those on my channel, so please subscribe. But if you want to see this Boxycharm September box unboxing, that's a lot of box words, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. So same deal as usual. Once you open it, you see the hello charmer and the Instagram handle and the hashtag right on the side of it. And then when you open it, it says Boxycharm inside, so really cute. Again, as usual, this entire box is a total surprise to me. I never go on the website and peek, ever. I like for these things to be a total surprise to me so I can genuinely give a first impression slash unboxing. I don't want to know what's in there already. So I know nothing as far as what's in the box. So it comes with a card as usual. So it looks like this is kind of like their little back to school themed box, I'm thinking. Okay, I'm already excited after seeing the first product. I love Kate Somerville. Okay, this is the Kate Somerville Exfolikate and Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. You better believe I'm using this tonight as soon as I get off camera, because anything Kate Somerville you can sign me up for right away. I've never disliked a Kate Somerville product. I don't think I ever will. So I already think I love it, but let's just read about it. It says, clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes, Kate's signature superfacial exfoliates dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore-perfected skin in just 2 minutes. By clearing away dead skin cells, this holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your regimen, making every product and ingredient that follows more effective. And this goes for $85, so it's expensive. Kate did not come to play, guys. This is not cheap. None of her products are cheap, but I've noticed at least that at certain times of the year you can get pretty good discounts on their website, so I really can't complain. Again, everything I've ever tried from Kate Somerville has just been amazing. The exfoliator, I can't remember which one I had. It was like the green one. I can't remember the name of it though. So good. You cannot go wrong with that. But this is what this looks like in the box, and it says that it's for all skin types. So let's open it up. Oh wait, I've used this before. Oh my god, I am such a dummy. Oh my god, I'm over here reading this card like, ooh, wow, that sounds so good. But I've used this. I've had this actually a few times. I've repurchased this a few times because it's so good. If it's green on the inside, then I definitely am talking about the right product. Let me see. Yup. I've used this before and I love this stuff. Ooh, okay. All right, so I already know I love this and I already can recommend it to you guys. Like I just said, I've purchased this a few times already. I honestly don't know why I didn't recognize what it was from the description, but yes, I know this product. We go way back and I love her. I recommend it already, but I'll keep you guys posted in a later video. I'm gonna be using it tonight, of course, so I'll keep you guys posted, but I already do love it, so you've got my recommendation on this one. If you haven't tried it already, I highly, highly recommend it. So the next product is from ALAMAR Cosmetics. It sounds kind of familiar. I don't know if I've gotten a product from this brand in another box, or I could just be going crazy, but it is the Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. I love that name. It says, perfect for day and night, this palette features 8 stunning shades. 4 shimmers are just like you, multi-dimensional and unique. Dripping in fine glitters and reflective pearls, ground your look with easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. That sounds amazing. And it says it goes for 28 bucks. So for a palette, that is really, really not bad. Oh, I love this. It's almost like a fairy tale book. That's really, really cute. So cute. So when you open it, okay, awesome. This whole left side is a mirror, but I don't want to show you guys the mirror because my background is not cute as usual. But these shades in here are beautiful. Look at this. This is just calling my name right now. And this. These two. Whew. Let's swatch. Oh, and this kind of fuchsia matte color. I think I'm gonna have some fun with this. You guys know I'm not really a crazy color eyeshadow kind of person. I like my neutral shades, but this I could get used to. So let's do some swatches. What? Oh my God, you guys, look at this. This is literally going to be my best friend. I am still, and look at this. What the hell? I feel like this is such a hard color to get right too. So this is just amazing. These swatched so nicely. So I'm definitely gonna play around with this more on my eyes, kind of step out of my comfort zone with the colors and see what happens. But right now, I really, really love this. So good job to Alamar Cosmetics. This was such a pleasant surprise. I'm so happy right now. After that, we have the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. Ooh! Okay, I've actually really been wanting to try this, and I haven't gotten around to buying it, but it says it's a dual-ended liquid shadow combining a rich velvety matte formula on one side and an over-the-top sparkly on the other. Completely up my alley. And this goes for $25. I don't think the pricing is too bad, to be honest. You get two sides, a matte and a shimmer, for 25 bucks. A lot of brands do just a matte or a shimmer for that or more. So I really can't complain about the price. I can complain about not being able to open this though. Got it. I love this packaging. It's like a lip gloss. Don't confuse it for one though. So let's swatch this matte first. Oh my God, this literally looks like a lip gloss. But it's not. That's what it looks like on my hand. The matte side. Let me see if I just... It actually blends out pretty nicely. Look at this. I think a little goes a long way with this so far though. I wouldn't just like paint all over your eyelid and then expect to blend it out because that's probably gonna be a mess. But let's test out the shimmery side. Ooh, I like this. It's like a little nail polish applicator. And the other side is a little different. It's a doe foot applicator, so different on each side. But this is what the shimmer looks like. And then to blend that one out, ooh, I love this already. Look at this. I am gonna be putting this on. I love you, Huda Beauty. This is amazing. But moving on from that, the next product we have is from MUDMASKY, which I've never heard of that brand before, but it's the Blue Light Protection Mask. And it says that it blocks high energy visible light, HEV light, from digital devices like smartphones and laptops up to 94%. Wow. Made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen, prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV light. And this goes for $54. So this is not cheap. So I wonder how this works. This packaging is a little interesting to me. But yeah, on here it says, oh, it's 2 ounces. So there's actually quite a bit in here. And it says it's for laptop, tablet, smartphone, television, LED light, computer screen. So, Oh, okay, so I guess you just put this on under your makeup or something. It says, for the instructions, wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer to your face, and leave the face mask on during the day. Okay. I feel like this would go well in conjunction with that 111 Skin, that serum I got in one of the other Boxycharm boxes, because that one was also the kind of protective serum, protects against the harmful pollution whatevers. So I feel like these two would go pretty well together. Let me see how it looks just squeezing some out onto my hand though. It literally smells like hand lotion. Okay, I just put a tiny little bit on here. Just gonna rub it into the skin. Okay, so it literally feels so thin. It almost feels like I just put water on my skin, which I like, because if you're putting this on under your makeup, you don't want it to be thick and doing all this weird stuff under the rest of the things you're putting on your face. So I can appreciate the fact that it's so thin. It's not sticky at all. I would say it literally just feels like a really, really, really lightweight moisturizer. And as long as it's helping to protect against the things we want to keep away from our faces, then I'm happy with it. I'm gonna test it out though, because I think this is one of those things where you have to use it for a while before you can actually have an opinion on it. Just putting it on my skin, I can tell you guys that I like how it feels. I don't mind the smell, but I don't know if it's actually doing anything. So I'm gonna test it out for a little while and then I'll keep you guys posted on that. But the last product that we are going to be talking about is from Billion Dollar Beauty, also a new brand to me, so welcome. And it is the Charcoal Beauty Sponge. That sounds really interesting. So it says, this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. I like that. And it goes for $15, so it's not as expensive as the original Beauty Blender, my absolute favorite thing in the world. But it sounds really, really interesting. But this is what the box looks like that it comes in. And it says that it's vegan, so that is a nice little aspect to it. And then this is what the actual sponge looks like. So right off the bat, I can tell you that it feels really similar to, if you guys have used the Morphe sponges, like that red one that's kind of squiggly. It feels just like that. Maybe this one's just like a teensy bit softer, but the original Beauty Blender is a lot softer than this. Like, it feels a lot more squishy. This one feels harder, but I do like the concept of it being infused with charcoal. That's really different from anything I've heard of with any kind of beauty blenders out there. So I am definitely gonna play around with this. I needed a new sponge for my makeup, so this came at just the perfect time. I will be playing around with this. I'll test it out for you guys and I'll keep you posted. That's all. So those were the 5 products that I got in my September Boxycharm box. I'm really, really excited about all of them. I think this was a really, really great box. I love the fact that it's a mix of brands that I've heard of and that I've used and abused, and then brands that are new to me. I can't stress enough how much I love, love, love getting to try out new brands that I haven't heard of before. I feel like it gives all of those smaller brands a chance to put themselves out there, become more known, and maybe very, very well loved. So I love this concept. I love Boxycharm. I love the fact that we get to see all kinds of different things in these boxes. So I'm really, really happy with this one. They're all products that I'm definitely gonna be using. Of course, I'm excited about the Kate Somerville because I already know I love that product. I know it works. I know it does what I need it to do. So extremely excited about that. But I think the product that I'm most excited about in the box is probably the Huda Beauty. You guys know, if you've been on my channel for a while, that, well, first of all, I love neutrals and warm tones and just that natural glam. This, right up my alley. It's like that almost kind of peachy but still natural kind of tone. And it's liquid, which is my favorite thing on the planet. I love liquid foundation, bronzer, or technically cream bronzer. I love liquid blushes, liquid highlighters, liquid eyeshadows, liquid anything. I just love. I think it just looks so natural on the skin. It doesn't look as cakey sometimes as powders can. It's so easy to work with. So I'm really, really excited to test this out and see how it goes. But I honestly am really excited to test out all of these products and see how they work for me. I have high hopes for all of them, but that's all I've got for today's video. Again, I loved this month's box. I'm excited to see what next month has in store for us. I'm hoping for some Halloween themed stuff, so we'll see. But that's all I've got. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know if you got the same products or if you got something different in your boxes. And let me know what you think of the products in my box, or if you've tried any of them, what you think. Or if you just want to say something nice to me or to the other subscribers, please feel free. That is always welcome here. Make sure to share this with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really shows me that you're supporting my channel, that you like the videos I'm making. So subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.